guys, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'll be reviewing the CraftBot XL printer. Now, I do want to say I did receive this printer as compensation for advertisements and promotion on social media. I'll keep this review as unbiased and as simple as possible. I do want to say this is the third printer I've received from them. I've been trying to do this review for a while now. Every package that I've received from UPS has been damaged. So they did try FedEx this time, and it looks like it is a little scratched up on the side. The CraftBot team has been awesome with getting the issue sorted out. Let's open it up and see how it goes. Now it looks like it's really well packaged. I can already see the bubble wrap and looks like everything's pretty clean. This head can move. It looks like a lot better than the first one that I received, or the second one rather. It looks like it's in good condition. I mean, it looks brand new, real sturdy frame. That's one thing I really liked about this printer with the specs online. All metal frame, it's got a huge print volume. 8 inches by 12 inches by 17 inches tall. It is heavy though. I had to have a couple of guys help me bring it up the stairs. Alright, now I'll do the calibrating and we'll see how the first prints go. Okay, so I've got the printer plugged in and powered up. Now I'm going to be calibrating the extruder and see if we can get our first test print. So the test print just finished and it does look really good. I mean, I'm sure you can see by the picture it looks pretty smooth. Got a nice finish on the bottom. The layers are really fine. This was on the highest setting using the Easy Print slicer, and it came out really nice. There is a little bit of bumps here and there, which I'm sure I can tweak in the advanced settings, but overall for a benchy, it does look really good. I think that's the end of the review. Thanks for watching.